Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Evolution of Productivity, where we help you grow, thrive, and take control of your life. Today's topic is all about financial freedom, a goal that can help you live life on your own terms, without constantly worrying about money. In this video, we'll break down what financial freedom really means, the steps you can take to achieve it, and why it's crucial for your overall well-being and happiness. So, whether you're struggling with debt, wondering how to make your money work for you, or simply looking to take that next big step toward financial independence, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Did you know that a recent survey found that over 60% of adults feel stressed about money and believe financial anxiety affects their quality of life? On the flip side, individuals who achieve financial freedom often report greater happiness, less stress, and more control over their future. It's not just about having more money, it's about peace of mind, flexibility, and the freedom to live life the way you want. Today, we're going to explore how you can start your journey toward financial freedom. Financial freedom isn't about being rich. It's about having enough savings, investments, and income streams to cover your living expenses, giving you the power to make choices that improve your life. When you achieve financial freedom, you gain control over your time, your career, and your future. It means no longer living paycheck to paycheck or being afraid of unexpected expenses. Instead, you have the power to take risks, pursue passions, and live a more fulfilling life. In short, financial freedom allows you to prioritize what matters most to you, whether that's spending more time with your family, starting a business, or giving back to the community. The first step on the journey to financial freedom is understanding where you are right now. You can't make improvements unless you have a clear view of your current financial picture. Start by gathering information about your income, expenses, debts, and savings. Ask yourself, how much do I earn each month after taxes? What are my fixed expenses, such as rent, utilities, and loan payments? How much am I saving? How much debt do I have? And what are the interest rates? Understanding this information will help you see exactly where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back or improve. It's also important to consider your financial habits. Are you spending more than you earn? Are you saving regularly? Or are you barely getting by each month? By honestly assessing your situation, you lay the foundation for setting realistic goals. Once you understand your current situation, it's time to set financial goals. Financial goals are the milestones that keep you motivated and on track to financial freedom. Start by breaking your goals into short-term, medium-term, and long-term categories. Short-term goals might include paying off a credit card, building a $1,000 emergency fund, or cutting unnecessary expenses. Medium-term goals could involve saving for a down payment on a house, getting rid of all consumer debt, or creating an investment portfolio. Long-term goals might focus on saving enough for early retirement or achieving a specific level of passive income. Make your goals specific and achievable. For example, instead of just saying, "I want to save money," say, "I will save $500 every month for the next year." By being clear about your goals, you give yourself a roadmap to success. A key component of financial freedom is passive income, money you earn without actively working for it. Passive income allows your money to work for you, even while you sleep. Let's look at some popular passive income ideas that can help you on your journey. Rental properties. Investing in real estate and renting out properties can be a great way to generate a steady stream of income. While it requires some upfront investment, rental income can be quite lucrative over the long term. Stock market investments. Dividend-paying stocks are another excellent way to generate passive income. By purchasing shares in well-established companies, you can earn regular dividend payments that help grow your wealth without additional effort. Create digital products. You can create ebooks, online courses, or other digital products that people can buy. After the initial work is done, you'll continue to earn from sales without much additional input. Peer-to-peer lending. This involves lending money to individuals or small businesses via online platforms, where you earn interest on the loans. It's an interesting alternative to traditional investing and can provide significant returns. Affiliate marketing and content creation. If you have a blog, website, or social media presence, affiliate marketing can be a valuable income source. You earn commissions by promoting products or services and getting paid when someone makes a purchase through your link. The important thing to remember about passive income is that it often requires an initial time or monetary investment. But over time, the goal is for these investments to continue providing returns with minimal effort. Financial freedom isn't something that happens overnight. It's a journey that requires commitment, planning, and action. But with each step you take, you'll find yourself gaining more control over your life and more freedom to pursue what truly matters to you. Start today by assessing your financial situation, setting achievable goals, and finding ways to create passive income. Remember, financial freedom isn't about how much money you make, it's about how effectively you manage and grow it to create the life you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the Evolution of Productivity for more insights into personal development, financial literacy, and productivity. Share your financial freedom goals in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to achieve the freedom we all deserve. See you next time.